Good morning, all the students. I hope you all have seen part 1 of chapter 1 Socio Religious Reform. Now, in part 2, we are going to discuss about Ramakrishna Paramhansa and Swami Vivekanand. Let us begin with this chapter now. Ramakrishna Paramhansa. Ramakrishna Paramhansa was the torchbearer of the Indian culture. He was also a reformer and saint who had sought the truth through all the religion. See, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, he was a great saint and who had understood the essence and truth of all the religion. He was born in Kamarpurkar village of Hooghly district in Bengal. He took interest in the religious activities from his childhood. See, where he was born in a village named Kamarpurkara in the of Hooghly district in Bengal, and he took interest in the religious activity in he from the early childhood only. He was interested in the religious activities. He became a priest in the Kali temple of Dakshineshwar near Kolkata. See what happened, he was also a priest and a staunch devotee of the Kali temple at Dakshineshwar near Kolkata. Many people were attracted towards him due to his preaching on purity of character and deep knowledge. See, the people, he had a pure character and practical goodness also, and so because of that, many people they were attracted towards him. He tried to attain God in various forms. He also tried to attain the God in the various different forms. Many religious reformers like Keshav Chandra Sen, Dayanand Saraswati, and others came into his contact. See, many other reformers also came into his contact. Those influenced by the Western culture redeveloped their faith in culture and religions of India. Why? Because of the preaching of Ramakrishna Paramhansa. See what happened, he was yeah, this all the people, many social reformers would come to him and discuss the various aspects of religion as well as to seek his advice and guidance. See, intelligent people who had been influenced by Western culture could also rekindle their faith in Hindu religion and culture with the preaching of Ramakrishna Paramhansa. Swami Vivekananda, a Bengali graduate named Narendranath Dutt, 1863 to 1902 CE, came into contact with Ramakrishna Paramhans, who reciprocated his quest for knowledge. See, the original name of Swami Vivekanand was Narendranath, and he came in contact with whom? Ramakrishna Paramhans, who satisfied Narendra's hunger for knowledge. Narendra became a disciple of Ramakrishna and became an ascetic, that is sannyasi, later acquiring the name Swami Vivekananda. He did an intensive study of the Indian and Western philosophy. So, see what happens. In Narendra, he renounced the world and he became an ascetic, that is sannyasi, and made Ramakrishna Paramhans his guru. And thereafter, what happened? He became famous as Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda advised people to serve the poor and look for God in the needy people. Swami Vivekananda, what he advised the people to serve the poor people and the needy people who are in need, and to seek the God and to see the God in this service and this people. He imbibed, means he absorbed the pride for our rich cultural heritage and faith in a bright future in the Indian youngster. See what happened? He calculated what the pride for the glorious past of India in the minds of youths, and he encouraged them to have faith in the future. He attended the Parliament of the Religion in Chicago in the United States in the year 1893 CE. With his influential speech, he provided understanding about the Indian philosophy and culture. He propagated the Indian culture by touring various countries like the United States, Europe, Egypt, China, Japan, etc. See what happened. He attended what the Parliament of Religion in Chicago it was in, and that is in the United States in the year 1893. And what happened with his influential speech which he gave over there, that provided the understanding to the people about what about the Indian philosophy and our culture. And he also what did he propagated the Indian culture by what, by touring all the various countries like Europe, Egypt, China, Japan, etc. He was an ardent supporter of the Indian culture and a devout nationalist. See, he was also a ardent supporter also of Indian culture, and he was a nationalist also. He devoted nationalism also. He gave the legendary slogan to the Indians: "Arise, awake, and stop not still. The goal is achieved." See what he gave? He gave a slogan of "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved" to the people of India. Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the year 1897 CE in the name of his Guru. See, in the year 1897, Swami Vivekananda he established the uh, uh, Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the name of his guru, and it has its headquarter at Beluru. See where it has a headquarter at Belur, and this mission adopted the ideas of service to mankind through various work. See, because this mission, in the memory of what he has done, he established Ramakrishna Mission over at Belur in the memory of Guru Ramakrishna Paramhans, and what he explained Indian culture and philosophy with his influential speech at the International World Conference. See, this mission was followed by a slogan: "Service to man is to service to God." By gaining motivation from the life of Ramakrishna Paramhansa. See what he said in the slogan, that is service to man is service to God. If you will service to a man, you are servicing to a God, it means. And by gaining all this motivation from the life of, he was gaining all this motivation from whom? From Ramakrishna Paramhans. And this mission opened schools across the nation for imparting education, and through this mission various schools were being opened and they were imparting the education to the nation. Hospitals were run by the missions to help the people in need, and the people who were in need, they were provided with the hospitals. Even today, the branches of the missions are functional in India and abroad. See, even today also we can see the branches of this mission that are in India also and in abroad also. And see, in this all we come to know that Swami Vivekananda he spread Indian culture to the foreign countries. Unfortunately, in the year 1902, this great man Swami Vivekananda died at a young age of 40. I hope you all have understood this part. Thank you.